Welcome to Module MK10. Create a workshop promotion campaign. A workshop usually needs more than one announcement to reach the right people. In this lesson, you will build a simple promotion campaign with a clear message and several planned touchpoints. The goal is not to pressure people. The goal is to help the right audience understand the value and remember the date. Begin with one clear workshop promise. Who is the workshop for? What problem will it help them address? What will they be able to do or understand when it ends? Use that promise in every campaign message. Use a short sequence instead of repeating the same announcement. The first message introduces the problem and the workshop. The second teaches one useful idea. The third answers a question or shows proof. The final reminder gives the date, value, and one clear registration step. Every promotion message should lead to the same simple action. Use one registration link and one clear deadline. State the date, time, location, and expected outcome. Explain who should attend. Remove extra choices that compete with registration. The campaign should not end when the workshop begins. Prepare a reminder for registered attendees. Prepare a follow-up for people who attended. Prepare a different follow-up for people who registered but did not attend. Each message should offer one appropriate next step. Now complete the workshop promotion campaign planner. Pause the video if you need more time. Write the audience, problem, promise, date, and registration action. Draft the announcement, teaching message, proof message, and reminder. Add the attendee and no-show follow-ups. Schedule the first message within 48 hours. Save the sequence as a reusable campaign. A reusable campaign prevents every workshop from depending on last-minute founder promotion. A team member can schedule the sequence, track registration, and send follow-up using approved language. That is how campaign systems support founder freedom. Before you continue, complete the planner and schedule the first message. Save the sequence, then move to the next lesson.